Hey everyone, welcome back to Ian Makes. Today we're diving into an exciting project, reviewing 3 different ammo boxes to find the best option for our mini battery box. We've got the Ozark Trail Marine Storage Box, the Strategy Field Ammo Box, and the Bunker Hill Security Ammo Box. Each one has unique features and advantages, and we're going to break them down to see which one stands out. Let's get started and find the perfect fit for our project. Before we dive into the features of each ammo box, let's start with something everyone finds annoying: removing the stickers. I know that's silly, but if they are all the same price, it might make a difference to you and your time. First up, the Harbor Freight Bunker Hill box. Unfortunately, it left behind about a quarter of the sticker, which needed some lighter fluid to remove. Next, the Ozark Trail box had potential, but the sticker covered a security tag, requiring chemical assistance to remove it completely. Last up, the Strategy Field Ammo box had 2 stickers. One was a security tag, and about 90% of it came off cleanly. However, the big front sticker only came off cleanly about a quarter of the way, needing chemicals for the rest. It's puzzling why Walmart put security tags on such inexpensive items. Now let's get into the actual features of these boxes. Now let's talk about why weight matters. Generally, a heavier box indicates more plastic used in the molding process, which can mean it's stronger and more durable. To get a clearer picture, let's compare the weight of each box relative to its size, starting with the Ozark Trail box. Its dimensions are 11.5 inches by 5.625 by 7.25 inches, and it weighs 1 pound, 2.25 ounces. Next, the Bunker Hill box has dimensions of 11.6 inches by 5.1 by 7.1 inches, and it weighs 1 pound, 1.68 ounces. Finally, the Strategy Field box measures 11.62 inches by 5.21 by 7.25 inches, and it weighs 14.72 ounces. When we look at these numbers, it's clear that the Ozark Trail box, with its relatively higher weight for a similar size, might offer better durability due to the extra material. The Bunker Hill box is also fairly sturdy, but slightly lighter. The Strategy Field box, being the lightest, uses the least material, which might make it less sturdy. This comparison helps highlight the differences in material used and potential durability, which is crucial for our mini battery box project. Next, let's talk about the latches on these boxes. Both the Strategy and Bunker Hill boxes are similar, each having one plastic opening for a lock. The Ozark Trail box is unique because it has 3 locking points. It features 2 plastic locking holes plus a stainless steel locking point built into the latch. This means the Ozark Trail box provides more security with 3 locking points compared to just 1 on each of the other boxes. This added security feature might be important, or it might not, depending on your case use. It's not that important for my use, but I do like the look of the 3 locking points on the Ozark Trail. The handles on the Bunker Hill and Strategy boxes seem to be made from the same material as the rest of the box. While the Bunker Hill handle feels a bit more comfortable, that's subjective. The Ozark Trail handle, on the other hand, uses more plastic and has a stronger design. It feels sturdier and has less flex compared to the other 2. This could mean the Ozark Trail handle is more durable and provides better grip, making it a more reliable choice for carrying. Let's consider where to mount switches and power connectors. All of the boxes are designed to stack on each other, and the stacking indentations can be logical points to mount these components. The Bunker Hill box might be the easiest option. The stacking indentations are well placed, and you can drill a hole there without any obstruction. The Strategy Field box isn't bad either. Its indentations for stacking are smaller, so you would just pick a spot on the top and drill there. The Ozark Trail box has the nicest looking place to mount the connectors, but there is support underneath that, and it makes it tough to drill a hole without possibly weakening the structure. So, while all 3 boxes offer potential mounting points, the Bunker Hill box seems to be the most convenient for adding switches and connectors. After reviewing all 3 ammo boxes, we've decided to use the Ozark Trail Marine Storage Box for our mini battery box project. The quality and design of the Ozark Trail box really stood out to us. Plus, we appreciate that it's made in the USA. Its sturdiness, additional locking points, and durable handle make it the best choice for our needs. We also want to give props to the Bunker Hill box. It's a great option as well, but for us, the choice was clear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more DIY projects on Ian Makes. See you next time.